In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export slides as images in LibreOffice Impress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a single slide into a high-quality image you can share, embed, or print. Start by launching LibreOffice Impress. Open the presentation you want to work with, whether from your recent files or your preferred folder. Once your presentation is on screen, look to the left side of the window for the slide thumbnail pane. Click the slide you want to export so it's clearly highlighted. This ensures you're targeting the right content. If needed, switch to a larger thumbnail size or use Slide Sorter View to confidently confirm the slide you've selected. Now, head to the top menu and choose File, then Export. This is different from Save As. Export is what lets you create an image file. An export dialog will appear. In this window, pick where you want to save the image and give it a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to find later. Next, open the File Type drop-down menu. Here you'll choose your preferred format. JPEG is widely compatible and good for photos, but it compresses and can soften fine text. PNG keeps text and graphics crisp and supports transparency, making it ideal for slides with sharp diagrams or logos. SVG creates a vector image that stays sharp when scaled, but it's best for slides built mostly from vector shapes rather than complex photos. Before you proceed, make sure to check the selection box. This tells Impress to export only the slide you highlighted instead of the entire presentation. If you leave it unchecked, you may end up exporting every slide, which isn't what we want here. Click Save. A second dialog will appear with format-specific options. Take a moment to fine-tune quality, resolution, and dimensions. For JPEG, increase quality for fewer compression artifacts. For PNG, adjust resolution and keep transparency if you need a clean background. Resolution is measured in DPI. Around 150 DPI is usually fine for screens, while 300 DPI is better for print. If you need a specific width or height, enter those values and let the software maintain the aspect ratio so your slide doesn't stretch. When you're satisfied with the settings, click Export to finalize. Navigate to the folder you chose and confirm the image looks as expected. If it appears blurry, try exporting again with a higher DPI or choose PNG instead of JPEG. For graphics-heavy slides that need to scale, consider SVG. That's it. You've successfully exported a single slide as an image from LibreOffice Impress.